Hey guys, Mr. J here. Today I'm back with a new video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new iMac, the 2019 version, the 4K. I ordered like a week and a half ago. It came in like 3 days ago, but the people that I ordered it from didn't even call me and tell me that it was there already. So I have like 3 days waiting on it and like impatiently. And I went to check today and it was there. So it's here now. So let's do the unboxing of it. But before that, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and give it a big thumbs up. And let's get it. Yeah. Let me move this chair out of the way. Like this is my first iMac ever, and plus this is my first Apple computer ever. Like, and I'm so excited. Let me just bring it up a little bit. And this is for me. This is new for me. Like I don't. I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. Oh, it opened this way. Let me turn it over. Is you guys ready? Because I'm ready. Whoa, this looks nice. Yes. Yes. This looks nice. Let me just take it out. Oh. Let me remove this box out of the way. Bring the baby back in focus. This is nice. Yes. Whoa. Okay, so let's open it now. I have a little tab up here. This is gonna be satisfying. Let's go. Don't mind me, but I'm really excited because it's my first Apple computer ever, so don't mind the hype. Let me put the camera a little bit so. Let me push it back a little bit. Wow. It smells so nice, smells so new. Okay, so up here we have the keyboard and mouse, designed by Apple in California. Yeah, we'll open that later. Let's get onto the iMac first. Okay, so I have to pull this first, right? Yeah, that's one. We have to move it back more. Take it out. Let me take it out. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, I hate styrofoam. Ooh. Okay, the box is. Let me just put it there. Let's bring this back. Okay. Okay, this one. This is the other one. Here we have the power cable. Like it's so like sick seeing it in real life, because you've seen it I've seen this unboxing like 1,000 times on YouTube, and having one in real life is just amazing. The power cable. Yeah. Nothing else to it. Let's unbox this baby. And it's very good. It's like the quality of this is just amazing. Take up this in the back, a little sticker. Okay, now let's put it up. Let me face it towards you guys so we can both see it at the same time. Wow, this looks amazing in real life. Damn. Yeah, now the plastic. This is the hardest part, like taking off the plastic. I don't want to damage or break anything, you know, because I want to keep everything how it was, how it is. Wow. Okay, let me remove. Turn it back. So beautiful. I think this will be like the cleanest it will ever be. Okay, so that is unboxed. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. Now let's get on to the goodies. The keyboard and magic mouse. Let's first take out the magic mouse. But the quality of this is amazing. Wow. Wow. And the smell of it is amazing too. The keyboard. Apple is the best at designing and the quality and everything of things, because wow. We have this, and here we have the iMac manual. Take it out. The manuals, paperwork, Apple sticker, and cleaning cloth that is folded like a envelope. You guys can see that, okay? And the lightning cable to charge the magic keyboard and the magic mouse. I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use my phone on. So yeah. Okay, so the only thing left to do is to plug it in. Turn it around. Under here you see is a plastic. I'm gonna just leave that so for protection and just leave it on. Okay, this goes here and inside. Wait, like this. Yeah. I put my hand already on the screen and turn it over. Okay, it's plugged in, so now let me, the button in the back. Okay. You guys ready? Turn it towards you guys. Wow, my God. Yes. I know that I didn't know the first boot up would be this long, but
2 hours later.
Y cuando sale el sol, aunque tú estés con él, no deja de pensarme, porque la tengo loca, pregunta ya sabe. Okay, we are in. Well, it's time to switch on the keyboard and mouse. Switch it on. Wait. Okay, keyboard is good. The mouse now. Okay, I think it's good. Okay. Well, I live in France, but I don't put none of my technology things in French. I'm gonna just put it in English. Okay, now is the language set up. I just did it. I can't believe that I really am using okay. Okay, where do I live? France.
It's a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know
Okay,
how to use VoiceOver,
French, France.
Command F5 now to turn it.
Okay, choose a keyboard layout. Okay, I gotta connect to my Wi-Fi now. Okay. Now let me choose like a picture like for the front. The drums, because I like beating on things. Drums, Okay. I continue. Light or dark version. Let me see. Oh, they look nice and dark. Let me just leave it light to see how it looks, then I will change it. Setting up your Mac. Yeah, let's go.
The next day.
This is mad long. It's taking mad long. After I hit pause on the video, the Mac lit up after waiting for so long. But it's there. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. But anyways, this was it guys for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I've been Mr. J. You guys been awesome. And let's get it. Ta-da!